Hi everyone, my name is Fiona. In this video, I mainly talk about the operation of PE strip bonding machine for expanded polystyrene.
The whole video are divided into 5 steps,
which are as follow. 1. PE strip connector steps. 2. Packaging size explain. 3. Tips. 4. Startup steps. 5. Spare parts. PE strip connect steps. It requires total 10 steps to connect the PE strip. First of all, you will see the box, which needs to be manually fixed on the PE strip bonding machine. The box has a sprander, which can fix the PE strip roll during the work without shifting. Step 1. The PE strip directly through the small hole labeled 1. Step 2. Simply pass the PE strip directly through the small hole with the label 2. Step 3. PE strip directly through the hole labeled 3 with a spring fix in the middle. You can also adjust the tightness of the knot in this step. I will explain later. Step 4. Pass the PE strip directly through the hole labeled 4. Step 5. Here, you need a small tool can hook out the PE strip from the 4th hole until through the hole labeled 5. Step 6. Pass the PE strip through the hole labeled 6. Step 7. Through the hole labeled 7. Step 8. Through the hole labeled 8. Step 9. Through the hole labeled 9. Step 10. This is last step. Press the thumb on top of the screw, pull the slider, and then put the PE strip into the gap. Pay attention, no need to cycle the PE strip in the gap. Simply crunch the PE strip is okay. Using the screwdriver to loose the screw to replace the blade. Normally, we will send 10 pieces of blade as spare parts. Those red small hole to add lubricant. Packaging size. Max packaging length 1500 mm. Max packaging height 900 mm. Max packaging width 900 mm. PE strip wrapping century line is 450 mm. Tips. Adjust the knot tightness. If the PE strip squeezes into the EPS foam product's edge during packaging, there has 2 things you can do. First, you can adjust the screw on the PE strip connect step 3 to adjust the tightness of knot. Second, you can use 2 pieces of stainless steel ruler put on the left and right side of the foam products to protect the foam edge, to preventing the knot to tighten during wrapping. Start-up steps. Plug the power with 220 voltage. Press the green start button. Put the EPS foam products to the right side, tightly against the square-shaped steering steel guide column. After EPS foam products is placed back on the center line, and step on the foot pedal to packaging. Spare parts. Blade, 12 rolls of PE strips. Lubricant gun, 2 stainless steel ruler. I would like to give my special thanks to my team in this video. Thanks Engineer Lee for his carefree teaching, so I could make this operation tutorial. Thanks my assistant Nana for shooting this video. Thanks to my customer who chose to believe me for place the order online without visiting me and the factory during the COVID-19. The pandemic has changed a lot, but it never changed who we are, what we do. We are always here.